Raymond, according to you.
Oh, okay. Hi, I'm Raymond from OrangeTee and Thai. Where do rich people stay in Singapore? Well, there are many definitions of rich. Today, my focus definition of rich is investors. These are people who purchase property with the intention of making a profit by renting or selling in the near future. I would say that most investors will be looking at District 9, Orchard and River Valley, District 10, Tanglin and Holland, and of course District 15, Katong and Marine Parade area. These districts have been very popular with investors due to its location that often has fully equipped amenities like good schools, supermarket, etc. Connectivity, very accessible public transportation connecting to the city and key MICE venues. These 2 points makes properties in this area highly desirable for rental income and resale profit. The upside potential these properties contribute greatly to these districts being popular amongst investors. If you are an investor or if you are looking for a great property to own, one notable new launch project you might be interested is Perfect 10 at BUKIT TIMAH Road. This freehold property will meet all your investment requirements right in the heart of the city.